Thanks for watching, and this is a video on how to kill the Earth Elemental for Elemental Workshop 1. You're going to mine the Elemental Rock and then run to the furthest north tile and then quickly move one tile southeast in order to avoid aggro, and then use Vulnerability on the alt, brew up with Lizard Kicker, and then through the diagonal safe position, use Dynamite, try to hit and get a poison proc. Now, you can use an alt with the Emerald Enchanted Bolts brewed down, trying to hit a 0 to get that, and then through that small window, use the Dynamite just like you could with the Dwarves. But I recommend just doing this method. It's pretty straightforward. Now, some of you are thinking, wait, I thought that the Earth Elemental was immune to poison. Here's the reality. In the past, you would have been right. When Jagex rewrote the poison for Poison Dynamite, it appears that they updated a bunch of NPCs that were no longer, at one point, were not poisonable and immune to poison. And the wiki would say they're immune to poison, but now they are not. So technically, you can use Dynamite and kill certain NPCs, and we're going to do that throughout other tutorials as well. And what's actually funny about this is I actually killed all 4 elementals for the Kandarin Easy Diary, including the other Earth elementals, before I learned of this, and so I was not able to kind of do a 2-for-1 for the Earth elemental, because this would count towards the Kandarin Easy Diary and complete the quest, but it's fine. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. After you do this, it's really easy to complete the quest and get the shield. Some people might keep the shield, especially if you're a regular iron and have a bank, but I didn't have a bank, obviously, so I wanted to just drop it. Pretty cool fashion escape. Could always use this method again to get back the shield, but I'm not a big fan of the cosmetic of the shield anyways. So there's going to be a lot of other videos where I'm going to utilize this mechanic to get kill credit, including the feud, and you'll see that in the next videos. But hopefully this was helpful for you just to kind of think of the positioning, because it is one of those things that you can easily get spanked. And if you get spanked, it's not a very fun experience, especially because when you're trying to run around those rocks, you can get stuck and weirdly enough be clicking and your character not move at all. So it's as simple as that, and that is Elemental Workshop 1. Hopefully this helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.